The first stitch I'm going to show you is called the running stitch. So I have a threaded needle and I have a knot at the end of my thread. And in order to begin the running stitch, I'm going to come up through point A with my needle, and I'm going to pull my needle through point A until I get to the knot on the back of my felt. Then I'm going to go down towards the table at point B and pull my embroidery floss through, come up at point C with my needle, pull through, go down at point D, come up at point E, and go down at point F. So with the running stitch, you're pulling up, down, making a space, pulling up, down, making a space, and continuing that pattern throughout. The running stitch will always have that dotted line appearance and is helpful for lots of different things.